We're here with Kiki, Cornell landscape architecture student, and you've been here for a while. If you want to say anything about that, you had numerous pretty consequential health problems, and was it yesterday, 2 days ago, you had your first endonasal cranial correction. You want to say something about that?
Yeah, it changed my life.
Come on, what do you mean it changed your life?
I've been in and out of specialist doctors for the past 4 or 5 years, trying to figure out my neck pain, my back pain, breathing issues. I thought I had asthma, and I did the endonasal,
Yeah.
and
One time.
I can breathe.
You walked out of here like a different person.
Yeah,
Yeah.
It completely changed my life.
Sounds pretty good. It must have cost hundreds of dollars, right?
$60.
$60. The guy's crazy over there. All right. If anyone is on the fence, who've got migraines or jaw issues or difficulty breathing, you'd recommend this.
Come here.
Wait, put your thumbs close together. Thank you.